Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your HP Jet printer to Wi-Fi. First, let's get everything ready. Make sure your printer is turned on and fully prepared for the setup process. It's also important to position your printer close enough to your wireless router for a strong signal. Finally, have your Wi-Fi network name and its corresponding password handy. You'll need these details very soon. One common method involves using your printer's built-in control panel. Look for the wireless or network settings option on the display screen. Once there, you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home network's name, then use the printer's keypad to accurately type in your Wi-Fi password. Confirm your selection, and your printer should connect to the network within a few moments. For a quicker connection, many routers and printers support Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS. First, find the WPS button on your wireless router. It often has a symbol of 2 arrows. Then, on your HP printer's control panel, select the WPS option. Immediately after, press the WPS button on your router. The devices should automatically connect within about 2 minutes, saving you from typing a password. Finally, the HP Smart app offers a very user-friendly way to connect. Simply download the free HP Smart app onto your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Once installed, open the app and select the option to add a new printer. The app provides clear, step-by-step instructions, guiding you through the entire process of connecting your HP Jet printer to your home Wi-Fi network seamlessly. It's a great option for a guided setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.